Hello and welcome to our first Halloween look for Poling Cosmetics. Now to begin, I am just popping some Esme Skin Minerals Liquid Foundation down as a base. And popping some concealer around just to blank out and create a nice even canvas to begin. Finishing off by setting with the Look 3 in the Mineral Powder Foundation. Now to begin, we are using a bright orange shadow and popping that all over the lid and up into the crease to create a nice bright smoky look. We're also going to take that underneath the lash line and smoking it out top and bottom. We're going to begin by sketching out the wing and the liner with a black shadow and an angled brush. Now going in with the Pegasus Liquid Liner pen and creating a really straight wing, heading straight out from the eye. We're also going to take that just a little bit underneath the eye as well. Now what we're going to do is sketch out the webs themselves using a very, very light hand and a fine tip. I felt like we could have added a little bit more, so we've done an extra little line there. Obviously this will depending on how big or small your eyes are. Now I'm just going over the edges of that with some dark shadow. That's just going to create a little bit of shadowing just to create a little bit more three-dimensional look. I am stretching that liner just out a little bit more and adding one more on the edge just because I wanted to really create this webbed look. Now the fun part. Now I'm just going in and creating some little loops. This creates the web itself using once again a very light hand and using a very, very soft touch. This will give you a very fine tip. Once I'm happy with the amount of webs that I've got, I'm going in just with a little bit of brown shadow to create a little bit more of a three-dimensional look, and then finishing the look with a bit of zebra brow gel and white night mascara. Popping a little half lash onto the end just to give it a little bit more intensity, cleaning up, and there we have it. Happy Halloween, guys.